Confused about opening an Exness account in India? Well, in this particular video, I will be sharing with you the step-by-step process of how to open your Exness account in India. By the end of this video, you will be able to open your own Exness account and start your trading journey today. Hey there, welcome back. You're watching Buzz Bites. Today in this particular video, we'll be focusing on creating an Exness account in India through your mobile phones. So let's keep it very simple without any confusion. If you follow the steps that I'm going to mention in this particular video, you'll be able to open your account seamlessly in India on the Exness platform. Okay, before we begin, if you have lots of doubt with regards to Exness platform, whether it's legal in India and what is this all about, FEMA Act and stuff just like that, I have made a dedicated video on the entire process of explaining all the legal stuff and all the rules and regulations that have been implemented in India with regards to Exness. If you want that video, the link will be available down there in the description. Do check that out. So I have compared Exness with Delta Exchange and made that video. Everything with regards to legal restrictions and rules and regulations that are implemented in India with regards to Exness, everything is discussed in that particular video. You can check out that video. The link will be available down there in the description. Basically, that video is all about everything that you need to know about Exness in India, because a lot of Indians have this biggest confusion about Exness rules and regulations that have been implemented in India. I have covered everything in that particular video. So do check that out. Also down there in the description, you will find a link to open your Exness account. I'll be very honest, it's an affiliate link. But if you open the account through my affiliate link and if you get stuck while the process of account opening, I will help you personally solve that issue. You just need to contact me in this particular email address and I will help you personally to solve that problem if you have opened your account from my affiliate link that is there in the description. Also, in this particular video, I have opened my Exness account using my mobile phone, and if you're a laptop user, you just need to follow the exact same process on the desktop version of the Exness. So without getting late, let's get started. Firstly, you need to open the account in the Google Chrome for the smooth account opening process, and once the entire process is complete, you can log in your Exness account in the official Exness application from the Google Play Store and use the Exness app efficiently. So if you click on the link that is available down there in the description, you will be opening this particular interface on a mobile phone, or you can just visit exness.com as well, and you will see two different options. One is nothing but register and one more is try demo for free. You just need to click on the register option, and once you click on that, this is an interface which you will be opening. The first thing that you need to do is to select your country, right? So you'll be selecting India over there, and you need to put your email address. Make sure that the email address that you're putting, it's a valid one, because if you're logging into some other devices, you need to enter this particular email address itself. So that is why it should be a valid and a proper email address. Once you have put your email address, the next step is to put your password, and make sure that the password which you are putting is very strong as well, following all the criteria of the Exness. And once you put your password, check on the checkbox of that I declare and confirm that I am not a resident of US. It is just for the tax purposes, and you need to click on that as well. And once you do that, click on the continue option. Once you click on the continue option, this is an interface that will be appearing on your screen. Now on the Exness platform, you have two different account opening process. One is the real account and one more is the demo account. Demo account, you will be getting virtual rupees of 10,000 US dollars through which you can practice trading. Since we are making a real account over here, you need to click on the real account down there. So once you click on your real account, you need to provide some of the documentation for the verification as well. The first step is to click on the complete profile that is available top up there. And once you do that, first thing is to confirm your email address, then your phone number, and then to provide some of your profile information as well. So in order to confirm your email address, click on get started now, and then you will receive a code on your email address which you have provided earlier. So you just need to provide that code over here and confirm your email address. And once that process is done, my email will be confirmed. The second process is to confirm your phone number. So click on that and enter your phone number. You will receive a code on your phone number. You just need to enter that as well. And once your code gets matched, your phone number will also be verified. And the last step is to add about your profile information. Click on the continue option and you will see profile information being displayed. You just need to enter your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and your region. Region means your state, which state you belong to in India, that you need to mention. Since I belong to Karnataka, I am putting Karnataka over here. And then you need to provide your residential address. Make sure that the residential address which you are providing is valid to the documents which you are going to upload up next. So make sure that the residential address is proper and perfect. And then select gender, male or female, and then click on the continue option. And once you click on the continue option, now you need to answer a series of different questions while opening the Exness account. The first question is, what's the purpose of opening an account? Just go through the questions and you can answer any of the question. It is just for the survey purpose itself. It doesn't really matter in your account opening process. Just go through the questions and answer the best answer possible. It is just for the survey purpose by the Exness platform. The next question is, what is your main source of income or wealth? Since savings and employment and business sales are my major income, so I'll click on that. And the next question is all about total liquid wealth. What is your liquid wealth that is available? I'll go for $500,000. What is your annual net income? You can go for any of those. And anticipated annual income that you're about to invest on your Exness. If you don't have the answer for all of those questions, you can follow what exactly I'm doing in this process. And CFD trading experience in the last 3 years. How much time do you willing to spend? I'll go for 4 to 12 hours. Education qualification with regards to CFD trading. Are you aware of that? And now you'll have to answer some of the questions with related to trading. So if you don't know the answer, follow the exact same process which I am doing on the screen. What is the amount you need to pay if you are taking 1:100 leverage? So that comes out to be €1,000. And some more related questions with regards to trading platforms. What's your trading plan within next 1 year? You can go for any of the options available down there. What are the trading instruments? You can select all of those, because Exness is not only a platform which allows you to trade cryptocurrencies, it also allows you to trade in multiple forex pairs as well. You can also trade in commodities like US oil as well. So select all of those in the first position. And once you do that, click on the continue option. And how did you come to know about Exness? You can go for YouTube. And now in the final section, you need to select all of these checkboxes and then press on the continue option. It is basically like agreeing all the terms and conditions that Exness has with regards to India. Now your contact details are perfectly verified. The next step which you need to do is to verify your identity by providing a valid identity proof. So we'll click on the verify identity in our process. Just click on the checkboxes that are being visible on the screen. So in order to verify your identity, you need to provide one document of identity. So I'll be going for Aadhaar card over here. Since majority of you have Aadhaar cards, you can select Aadhaar card and upload the front page and the back page of your Aadhaar card on the Exness. So simply select the Aadhaar card over here and then upload the front page and the back page of your Aadhaar card on the Exness platform, and then click on the submit document button. Once you do that, your document will be under review, and it ideally takes 3 to 7 minutes for the document to verify, and you will receive a confirmation on your mail as well that your document has been verified. And once your document has been verified, you will see this pop-up coming up on your screen. You can just close it out there, and now we need to provide your proof of residence document. Just click on the complete profile option once again, and you will see that you need to verify your residence. So for this process, you need to upload one more document which actually showcases or verifies your residence. That should be different from the Aadhaar card one. So I have uploaded my DL, my driving license over here, which actually verifies my residence, and that's how you can do that as well. Or you can upload any of the document that actually verifies your residence that is being mentioned over there. Just like your identity verification, you need to upload the front page and the back page of your document. I have chosen here my DL. I have uploaded that, and then click on the submit document, and the same process will be happening. Your documents will be under review, and after 3 to 7 minutes you will receive a confirmation on your mail as well, and you will be able to deposit on the Exness platform once your residence is being verified. And once your identity and your residence is completely verified, you will see the screen of deposit opening on your Exness platform. You can use any of these options to deposit fund to your Exness platform. You can use UPI, Binance Pay, or any other options to deposit fund on your Exness platform and start your trading journey. So in order to deposit fund to your Exness account through UPI, you need to verify your face scan. So for that, click on verify now. and you will see the screen, and then click on let's start button over there, and then rotate your face in the circular motion along the camera. And once you do that, your face scan will be successfully verified for submission. And once you do that, your face scan will be under review, and after 3 minutes you will receive a mail, confirmation mail on your email address that your face scan has been successfully verified, and the UPI deposit you can make seamlessly on the Exness platform. And once the face scan is successfully verified, you just need to go to the UPI ID once again over there, and now you can actually deposit money to your Exness account through UPI. What you need to do is you just need to enter the amount, and the number of USDT which you will be receiving on your Exness platform will be displayed over there. So opening an account on the Exness platform in India is as simple as that. So in the next video, I'll show you the entire process of how to deposit and withdraw money from your bank account to your Exness directly, and how you can withdraw money from your Exness platform to your bank account directly. So if you want that video, stay tuned with us. And one more thing, the minimum deposit on the Exness platform, if you are depositing through UPI, is 8k rupees, which means you need to have 8k rupees in order to deposit on the Exness platform. But if you're just starting out your trading journey, you may not have that much capital, right? So I have found a way through which you can actually deposit 1k or 2k or small amount of money and start your trading journey. So it's actually a tricky method through which you can actually deposit a small amount of money to your Exness account in order to start your trading journey with a small amount of capital. So if you want that video, let me know in the comment section. I will make a separate video on that as well. Or else, if you're going to deposit your money to your Exness account through UPI, you just need to have 8k rupees. So if you can't afford that, if you want to start your trading journey with a small amount of capital, this is a small trick through which you can actually deposit small amount of money and start your trading journey. So if you're able to afford 8k rupees, you can actually go and deposit on the Exness platform through UPI. I'll make a dedicated separate video on that as well. So if you have any doubt or any questions, leave them down in the comment section. I will be answering them personally. Also, don't forget to comment down which video do you want up next. Hope that this particular video was helpful. Please do open your Exness account from the link in the description. Till then, I'll see you next time. Keep hustling.